This is a Yoga Nidra practice for deep conscious rest and relaxation. Lie down on your back if that's comfortable for you, or if you prefer, you may carry out this practice lying on your side or in a seated position. If lying on your back, you may wish to place a pillow or cushion or bolster under your knees to support your lower back, and lie with your arms alongside your body with your palms facing upwards if that's comfortable for you, and allow your feet to fall to the sides. Release and relax your jaws. Relax your eyes back and down in your eye sockets. Allow the surface you are lying upon to fully support you. Begin by observing the sounds that you hear in your environment. First, focus on any sounds that are further away from you. Then, focus on any sounds that are closer to you. If there are no sounds, focus your attention on the silence in your environment. If there are sounds in your environment, listen to the silence that underlies all these sounds. And notice how the sounds arise from within the silence. Now bring your awareness to the center of your chest. We're now going to state the intention or purpose for this practice. This is called a sankalpa. You may have your own sankalpa or heart-focused intention based on the quality that you want to cultivate in your life. It may be related to inner peace, or gratitude, or creating abundance, or bringing in more rest or work-life balance into your daily routine. If you do already have your own sankalpa, I'll give you the time and space in a moment to repeat it 3 times. But if you don't have your own heart-based intention, you can use the following statement. I am deeply resting all the layers of myself. I am deeply resting all the layers of myself. Repeat this phrase: I am deeply resting all the layers of myself, or your own sankalpa, 3 times now. It's now time for the rotation of awareness. You'll focus on each part of your body as you hear me name it. As you bring your awareness to the different parts of your body, I invite you to sense and feel into the various parts of your body, welcoming whatever is present, whatever arises. To begin, bring your awareness to the tip of the tongue, then to the root of the tongue, the roof of the mouth, the floor of the mouth, the teeth, the gums, inside of the right cheek, inside of the left cheek, inside of the whole mouth, the lower lip, the upper lip, right nostril, left nostril, the whole nose, noticing the sensation of breath as you inhale and exhale. Bring your attention to your right ear, the folds of the ear, the inner ear. Listen to the sounds in your environment via your right ear. Focus on the space between both ears. Now bring your awareness to your left ear, the folds of the ear, the inner ear, listening to sounds via your left ear. Bring your awareness to your right eye, eyebrow, temple, right cheekbone, behind the right eye, left eye, left eyebrow, temple, left cheekbone, behind the left eye, between the brows, the crown of the head, the back of the head, the back of the neck, inside the throat, the whole head and the whole neck, the base of the throat, the heart center, right shoulder, right upper arm, right elbow, right forearm, right wrist, right palm, back of the right hand, the thumb, the first finger, the second finger, the third finger, the little finger, the spaces between all fingers on the right hand, right palm, right wrist, right forearm, right elbow, right upper arm, right shoulder, base of the throat, left shoulder, left upper arm, left elbow, left forearm, left wrist, left palm, back of the left hand, left thumb, first finger, second finger, third finger, little finger, the spaces between all the fingers, left palm, left wrist, left forearm, left elbow, left upper arm, left shoulder, the shoulder blades, base of the throat, heart center, back of the heart, the ribs, the whole back, the abdomen, the navel area, right hip, the whole thigh, front and back, right knee, right lower leg, right ankle, right heel, sole of the right foot, top of the right foot, big toe, second toe, third toe, fourth toe, little toe, the whole right leg, back to the navel area, left hip, the whole thigh, front and back, left knee, left lower leg, left ankle, left heel, sole of the left foot, top of the left foot, big toe, second toe, third toe, fourth toe, little toe, the whole left leg, right heel, left heel, right calf, left calf, back of the right thigh, back of the left thigh, right buttock, left buttock, the tailbone, the lower back, the middle back, the upper back, the whole spine, the back of the head, the whole right side of the body, the whole left side of the body, the whole body, the whole body. Bring your awareness to your right nostril. Focus your attention on your right nostril as you inhale and exhale. Bring your attention to the right side of your body. As you inhale and exhale, focus on any sensations and the flow of energy on the right side of your body. Bring your awareness to your left nostril and focus your attention on your left nostril as you inhale and exhale. Bring your attention to the left side of your body. As you inhale and exhale, focus on any sensations and the flow of energy on the left side of your body. Now bring your attention to both sides of your body. As you inhale and exhale, focus your awareness on any sensations and the flow of energy on both sides of your body. Now for the next few moments, bring your attention to your present moment awareness. That spacious awareness and the field of infinite awareness that surrounds you. Continue for a few more moments, sinking deep into the field of infinite awareness that surrounds you. Now bring your awareness to the center of your chest, between your lungs along the sternum or breastbone. See or feel a light shining within your heart center, the center where your soul, your mind, and your senses meet. And remain with this image of light shining in your heart center in silence for a few moments. Now gently repeat your sankalpa 3 times, either your own sankalpa or the following phrase: I am deeply resting all the layers of myself. I am deeply resting all the layers of myself. Now, with eyes remaining closed, feel your awareness return to your environment. Feel the energy in your room and the energy in your body. The touch of the air on your skin. the feeling of your clothes on your skin, the outer surface of your body, and then inside of your body, your vital organs, your muscles, your joints, your bones, the touch of the surface beneath you supporting your body. Inhale and let out a sigh. Touch your thumbs to the tip of each finger. Rub the palms of your hands together. Circle your ankles. Wriggle your toes. Move your head from side to side. Gently stretch. And open your eyes. The practice of Yoga Nidra is now complete. If you found this meditation helpful, please like this video or subscribe to this channel. Or you may like to share this meditation with someone you feel may benefit from it. You can return to this meditation again and again as needed. My name is Chantel. Thank you for practicing Yoga Nidra with me today.